And now whatever I do and whatever I say is going to be captured. So if I want to go from one tab to another, so perhaps I wanted to go to this copy of the flipped classroom, and I wanted to explain what we're going to be doing as a group, that in red, we're going to underline or highlight a sentence that's meaningful to you, that you felt captures the core ideas of the text. In blue, highlight a phrase. Okay, so whatever I'm doing is currently being recorded. And I can go from slide to slide. I could do a tutorial. So if I wanted to show people how to use a specific program. So perhaps I wanted to show you how to rotate a box on Google Slides. Well, we're just going to move our cursor over this blue circle, and then I can rotate that and make it flat. And to move a box, I click on it, but I have to make sure that my cursor has the four little arrows, which means to move, so then I can move the box. When a red line appears, it means it's in line with something else. So this one means it's centered with the text to the left of it. When I